Hello! How are you today, guys? How's your Sunday morning? I hope you have a good morning, guys. Let's have coffee na naman tayo, guys, early in the morning. Ayun. Ayun, isaw-saw pa. Ang init talaga ng coffee natin, guys. So, kumusta kayo, guys? How's your update dyan? Kumusta ang morning nyo, guys? I hope you have a good morning. Have a happy Sunday, everyone. Saw-saw tayo, guys. So, yun lang. Thank you so much, guys. Have a blessed day. Have a good day ahead, and everyone. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in next again. Thank you so much. Love you all. Thank you. God bless us.